Friends, today I will show how to make a Google form and take a test on it. So at first we have to go on Google Chrome. After opening it, we have to go in Drive. Then it will show like this. Here are the files that you have done already. So if you are using this at the first time, this portion will be empty. So here we'll show data shared with you. Here it will show shared. You can see from here also. Here it shows the recent that you have opened, started. Start. Here you can star message, and it will show here. Here is the bin. If you delete any file, it will come here. If you want to delete them permanently, so you can delete from here only. You can buy storage also. The full storage is 15 gigabytes. So at first we have to go on new. You can create many things. From more you can get some more things. So we have to click on Google Forms. Then it will show like this. Then we have to name it. You can add description at here. So here is the question. If you click here, here is one more option. You can choose as you like. Check boxes, drop down, file upload, and much more. You can short answer text, paragraph, liner scale, multiple choice grid, tick box grid, and here you can choose date and time. So I want to give multiple choice. So the question is, I am showing of this only. If you open this and use this, you will automatically able to do how to do it. And sometimes if you move your pointer to a icon, so you can do it. So what is computer? Oh, yeah, if you click on add other, the sender will be able to add other option, and if you click on add option, you can add option normally. Here is 5 options. So when you click on this, it will show, it will be get selected. If you click on delete, you can write anything. So the first option is garbage. Let's give the second, and the third, a useful machine. 4, all of. You can add many options. You can also cancel them on remove them on clicking here. If you click on enter, you will get a option. You don't have to click on here. As I have deleted it, I click on that enter. I got the option number 5. You can add option more than 1000. So if you want that the sender gets the knows the option is right or wrong, so we have to go on settings. Go on settings and click on quizzes. Make this a quiz. General, collect email addresses. You can click here or not, so you will able to see who submits. Collect email address. Limit 1 to response. This is important. We have to click on that. If you don't want, so you can do as you like. This one is optional. Okay. So here will be a option here required. If you don't make this required, if the people don't answer this question, they will be able to submit. And if you click on required, so they will don't be able to submit if they don't write this. And here is it showing that untitled form. Click on its side and it will automatically go to computer test. Answer key. The correct answer is the useful machine, and we can select the points quantity. I give here 100 on this question. Okay, here are the response key. Who will respond you? It will show here a number of responses. So let's give some design to this. We can upload file also and some images also on the theme. Let's add a theme. Here is the topic of other. Let's add others. What you will choose, it will show here. You can upload also from your computer, and photos you can search here and add. Okay, let's add this one. Then it will come here like this. You can change the color also. Background colors also you can change. Okay, and from here you can send it. You can email it. You can copy the URL and short the URL and share it to something. Okay, here so the preview button, if you click on this, you will able to submit by your own and able to see how you have done this. Here as you have done. Yeah, I have given the email address, and here is what is the computer. Here is a red dot. You can see this red dot means that this is a required question. if I don't click on that option that required, so I can submit as I like. But if I have clicked on a required, so I have to answer this, otherwise I will don't able to submit a useful machine. Submit. From here we can view the score. and and here it will show responses 1. Here are the three options: summary, question, and individual. Okay, if one people have submitted it, it will show 1. If 2, it will show 2. Okay, release score. I've released the score. So it was how to do. So there can be something more that I don't know. So if you use this Google Forms means Drive, you will understand your own that how to do this. Okay, you can create many things: slides, sheets, docs. There are many things. So thank you for watching. If you understand, I will be very happy. And from now you can make your Google Forms by your own. Thank you.